Hey guys, thanks for stopping back. I want to do a quick little recap of the striking anvil that we made 2 days ago. I added 2 more little legs to it with the railroad plates. Let's see those. Got her on the scale. So I'm going to weigh her up, see what she is. So any guesses? Take some guesses, throw it in the comments. How much you think she weighs? Should do this live, but I don't know how. This whole YouTube thing's new to me, so it's a learning curve. If you have any tips or pointers for me, go ahead and leave them in the comments. I'll greatly appreciate it. All right, here we go. Hit the scale. Zero it out. You can see that 127.2. Ah, that's great. All right, guys and gals, thanks for tuning in. Just want to do a quick little recap. Appreciate you coming back. So leave any comments, like, subscribe, spread the word, just trying to get the channel going. Have a great afternoon. Thanks.